Good day to you. Satya here. As temperatures soar, access to clean water becomes a matter of survival for animals. Okay, sharing our neighborhoods. By placing shallow bowls of fresh water in shaded and in accessible points, you are providing a life a saving oasis for birds, stray animals, and even very pollinators like bees and butterflies. To make it even safer, consider adding a few stones or pebbles that break the water's surface. These act as landing pads, so smaller ants can drink without the risk of drowning. It's a simple act of a kindness that keeps our local ecosystem thriving when the heat becomes unforgiving. Okay, so keep small bowls of water during this time, as it is a good deed, and God also will bless you. Right? Do take care of your health. See you in the next interesting topic. Till then, Satya signing off. Bye.